Good morning, students. Work from home online classes from St. Angel's Public School, Bagpat. Students, we have done different kind of letters. Today, I am going to explain you letter to editor. No doubt it is very easy letter and you have already written for number of times since your 6th or 7th standard. But come to the format once again, format of the formal letter or the format of letter to editor. In the first 3 line, write here sender's address, giving the gap of 1 line, write here date, again give the gap of 1 line here, and in 3 line give the receiver's address, then giving the gap of 1 line sir or madam. This is called salutation. Again this is the gap of 1 line here and subject. Students, while writing the letter to editor, we should part the letter in 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph, introduce the problem, means whatever the subject on which you are going to write the letter or you want your attention of the readers, that introduce your problem or your information in this first part. In the second part, describe the mentioned problem, means the problem which you have mentioned in the first para, describe the details of that particular problem in the second para. And the third para is called the closing para. So in this para, give the suggestions if you are asked to give the suggestion, or write a formal closing here, then thanking you, again give the gap of 1 line, yours truly, and this part of letter is called subscription. Then there is no need to leave the line here, signature and your post. Students, now look at the letter which is written to the editor for complaint. Come to the question. First of all, you are Rohit Sardana, living at 102 A Block, J&K Colony, Delhi. Write a letter to the editor of National Daily to complain about increasing incidents of chain snatching in your area. Increasing incident of chain snatching in your area. What we need, first of all, we need sender's address. So sender's address is given in the question, 102 A Block, J&K Colony, Delhi. Gap it, one line gap, 1st August 2019. Again the gap of 1 line, the editor, Times of India, Delhi. Now students, look at the name of the newspaper. Here in question the word is given National Daily, but National Daily is not the name of any newspaper. National Daily means you have to write here the newspaper that is on the national level newspaper. Suppose here we find local daily. Local daily means the newspaper must indicate here which come in your state. अगर लोकल डेली है तो हमें स्टेट में आने वाला न्यूज़पेपर, अगर नेशनल डेली है तो नेशनल लेवल पर आने वाले न्यूज़पेपर को यहाँ पे इंडिकेट करना है. गिव द गैप ऑफ 1 line here, sir. Then subject, to complain about increasing incident of chain snatching. But now think that what is the need to write to the editor about the increasing incident of chain snatching, because it is the matter of law and order. But what happened, you have already written number of times to the local offices, but there is no improvement you find there. Or finally now you are going to take help of the print media to raise your voice. मीन्स क्या हुआ कि आपने लोकल जो ऑफिसेज हैं या जो जहाँ पे कंप्लेंट की जा सकती है, आपने नंबर ऑफ टाइम वहाँ पर कंप्लेंट की लेकिन आपकी नहीं सुनी गई. तो अब आप इसको प्रिंट मीडिया को यूज़ करते हुए सभी लोगों को आप इस बात के मतलब के लिए आगे लाना चाहते हैं, उनको इन्फॉर्म करना चाहते हैं कि किस तरीके से इस तरीके के इंसिडेंट बढ़ रहे हैं. दैट इज़ वाई आप एडिटर को लिख रहे हैं. फर्स्ट पैरा, इंट्रोडक्टरी पैरा. Through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the kind attention of relevant authority towards the problem of increasing chain snatching incidents in J&K colony. Now, in this second para, we are going to explain our problem. Sir, chain snatching incidents are increasing in this colony day by day. Women are not safe to come out of their houses wearing valuable ornaments. मीन्स उस एरिया के अंदर women जो है अब सेफ नहीं है कि वो कोई भी एक्सपेंसिव ज्वेलरी पहन के बाहर आ सके. Yesterday I became an eyewitness of such an incident when a woman was going temple, lost her chain and the bikers ran away. No one dared to stop them due to furious speed. कोई भी उन्हें रोक नहीं पाया क्योंकि उनकी स्पीड इतनी ज़्यादा होती है कि उस समय उन्हें कोई भी रोक पाने की हिम्मत नहीं कर सकता. Sir, such incidents are very common now in this area. I hope the relevant authority, this is the closing para, change here the para. I hope the relevant authority may look into this matter and take some immediate action to check these happenings so that people of this area can get relief and feel safe. Thanking you. Again, gap of the one line. Yours faithfully, Rohit Sardana. Students, this is the complaint letter which we write to the letter of editor. But sometime we have to write the informative letters to the editor. In this case, the format will be the same. उसमें भी फॉर्मेट आपका सेम यही रहना है, लेकिन ये कंप्लेंट के रिगार्डिंग था. मीन्स वी कैन राइट हियर टू कंप्लेन अबाउट द पुअर कंडीशन ऑफ द रोड, कंप्लेन अबाउट द मैनेक ऑफ द ओपन मेन हॉल्स. This in this way we can change our subject, but sometime we have to write the letter which are very informative. means उसके अंदर हम क्या कर रहे होते हैं, हम उसमें कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं कर रहे होते, बल्कि जो सोसाइटी है, जो हमारा समाज है, उसको हम अवेयर कर रहे होते हैं, हम उसको इन्फॉर्म कर रहे होते हैं कि सपोज पॉल्यूशन लेवल हमारी सिटी में बढ़ता जा रहा है. अब दिस इज नॉट द लेटर ऑफ कंप्लेंट लेटर. इन दिस लेटर वी आर गोइंग टू इन्फॉर्म कि क्या मेजर्स हमें ऐसे लेने चाहिए जिससे इसको ठीक किया जा सके. नाउ कम टू दिस लेटर. You are Sumit Awasthi living at 61 Ring Road, Delhi. Write a letter to the editor of Deccan Herald to inform about increasing air pollution in your city. Again, we need the sender's address 61 Ring Road, Delhi. Gap of one line, 1st August 2019, 2020. Now, give the gap of one line. The editor, Deccan Herald, it is the name of newspaper which is given in the question. New Delhi, sir, and subject. Regarding, here, look at this word, regarding increasing air pollution in the city. No complaint. It is, we are going to inform. We are sharing our thoughts regarding the increasing air pollution. In this first para, through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to inform all the citizens and responsible authorities about the increasing air pollution in the city. This is the first para which we have completed here. Now the second one. Sir, air pollution is increasing rapidly in the city. Number of vehicles are also increasing on the road day by day, which causes air pollution. Due to industrialization, number of industries are also increasing, which emits out harmful gases. Sometimes wrong practice to burn the garbage and waste left by the company is also responsible to increase air pollution. These are the causes which we have discussed here, why the air pollution is increasing day by day in the city. People are not aware for checking pollution of their vehicle रेगुलरली, मीन्स लोग बाग भी अपने जो व्हीकल्स के अंदर है एयर पोल्यूशन चेक नहीं करवाते हैं. एंड द इंडस्ट्रीज आर नॉट फॉलोइंग एंटी पोल्यूशन नॉर्म्स, और इंडस्ट्री भी जो एंटी पोल्यूशन नॉर्म्स हैं जो डिसाइड किए हुए होते हैं गवर्नमेंट की साइड से, उनको उन मेजर्स को फॉलो नहीं कर रही है, नॉर्म्स एंड मेजर्स. वी शुड बी अवेयर फॉर दिस डेंजर which is harmful for our health, moreover our existence. Means this is the closing line we can say of the second para कि हमें अवेयर होना चाहिए इस खतरे से जो कि बल्कि हमारी हेल्थ ही नहीं बल्कि हमारी एग्जिस्टेंस के लिए खतरा बना हुआ है. आई होप माई लेटर वुड फाइंड अ सुटेबल स्पेस in the readers column of your reputed newspaper, and people will pay attention to check increasing एयर पोल्यूशन. दिस इज द क्लोजिंग पैरा जिसके अंदर कि हम अपने रीडर्स की जो ध्यान है इस तरफ लेके आए, उनकी अटेंशन इस तरफ हम लेके आए हैं और एक अपील हमने की है. थैंकिंग यू, योर्स ट्रूली सुमिता अवस्थी. स्टूडेंट्स, आई विल अपलोड द रिलेटेड असाइनमेंट ऑफ द लेटर टू एडिटर and business complaint letter. Try to do them in your fair copy, but first of all do these two letters which are explained in the video. First of all do these letters in your copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.